Hey, it's Ty with CreditSuite. And it's funny because we spend so much time educating and teaching how to actually obtain credit for your business and how to obtain financing for your business that we rarely ever talk about exactly what we do as a company and what we can do to help you quickly get credit financing for your business. So in this video, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to answer the question and tell you exactly what we can do to help you obtain credit and financing quickly for your business, even create an income stream with business credit financing if you choose to do so. So there's really three main things that our company does. The first is we help you with all aspects of building credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social security number. When you set up a business, you have an EIN number that's unique to your business, just like you have a social security number that's unique to you as an individual. And your business can build credit linked to this EIN just as you've built consumer credit that's linked to your personal social security number. How do you do that? Well, that's exactly what we help you do. Using our technology, which is known as the Business Finance Suite, we walk you through the 7-step process to build your business credit. We help you initially get set up credibly. We help you meet underwriting guidelines for lenders and credit issuers before you even apply. Where there's a secret set of standards that lenders and credit issuers both have, and you have to meet their requirements to get approved. If you meet the requirements, you often can get approved through their computers. If you don't, you'll often get denied. But these standards are not published anywhere, and that's exactly the first step that we dive into in the Finance Suite. We help you set up your business credibly so you can meet lender and credit issuer standards before you apply. Now, the Finance Suite's a completely unique custom experience. So if you have a business name, for example, you can enter your business name and move on. But if you don't have a business name, you can click No, Learn More. We provide education every step of the way, resources that can help you. We even help you in this step get listed with your Secretary of State in your state to set up a new business, even check out restricted industries. So every aspect of checking your credibility we go through, but we also help you with all aspects of setting up your business. So even if you're just thinking about getting started, if you're just in the beginning stages of starting a business, we help you through all aspects of setting up your business and doing it the right way, where not only are you getting it set up, but you're also setting your business up in a way where you are lendable, where you have the best chance of getting approved for credit. After we do this, we help you get set up with the business credit reporting agencies. This includes obtaining your free DUNS number from Dun& Bradstreet, even checking your Experian to see if you have any credit profile and score established with Experian now. Now, you may think that you have no business credit established now. But what often happens is you will actually have a business credit profile and score established you just don't know about. Maybe you have an old collection that reported on your business credit report, or maybe you got a phone or a utility service set up for your business and Experian knows you exist, but you've yet to establish any credit. When these type of things happen, you can easily have a score that's a very, very low score. We saw one the other day that was a 12. We saw another one the other day that was a 29. These are from companies that either just got started or have been in business a long time and thought they had no credit, but the Experian knew they existed, and because they knew they existed, they were given a low score because they had done nothing to build their business credit. But right through our system, you can actually access your business information. You can see what the reporting agencies know about you. With Experian, you can even track with Experian Smart Business how many trade lines you have, so you can monitor this as you build your business credit. These type of things save you money by helping you get your 411 set up at no cost in step one, which costs you $300 outside of the suite. By helping you navigate through the process of getting your free DUNS number and accessing your Experian Smart Business Access, these things save you thousands of dollars that you would pay for on your own. But as part of the Finance Suite, that makes it a simple way to go through to set up your business credibly, to get set up with the reporting agencies and start getting access to real credit. And that's probably why you're watching this video. You're looking for the fastest way you can obtain money for your business. Well, business credit is one of those ways, but this is a brilliant solution to get financing and credit for your business because you don't need to have good credit, you don't need collateral, and you don't need cash flow. As a matter of fact, business credit is the only way that you can actually obtain financing or obtain credit for your business when you don't have cash flow, credit, and collateral. So even if you can't get a loan at a bank, you can still come in and successfully build business credit. Now, not only do you get access to our technology that gives you all the sources in order that you need to apply for so you can be successful, that actually gives you access to the underwriting guidelines and tells you what you need to do to get approved, where the accounts report, but you're also working with our business advising team. So for 12 months, they're going to help you through the entire process of building your business credit. And the beautiful part about this is that you can get credit very quickly. It's a very fast process to obtain high limit credit accounts. You can start getting vendor accounts like you see here with Uline and QUILL, for example, immediately when you start the process. You can start getting high limit store credit cards, store credit accounts at places like Staples and Amazon within easily 60 days time when those initial accounts report. And you can start getting fleet credit cards, for example, in as soon as 90 to 120 days. And a lot of these accounts have very high limits. And this is one of the beautiful things about how we help you along the way is we kind of try to create a system where you can't fail. We help you meet credibility guidelines before you apply. We give you the underwriting requirements for each source before you even apply so you can make sure you meet the criteria. And we even block off accounts that you're not going to get approved for because you don't have the proper amount of accounts currently reporting. So we've really created the best system that exists today to help you build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social, to get high limit credit card accounts for your business quickly, regardless of your personal credit quality. These are accounts that you do not have a personal guarantee with. You're not personally liable for this type of, and not only are you obtaining credit at places like Amazon and Lowe's and Sherwin-Williams and Home Depot and Industrial Supply and Macy's and Budget, Kanoko and Sam's Club and more and more and more, but we also even help you obtain fleet credit. And by building your business credit, not only are you obtaining money, but you're also becoming more lendable because the quality of your business credit reports determines whether you'll get approved for bank loans or credit lines, the amount you'll get approved for, even the terms you'll pay. And this credit that you obtain does not report to the personal credit reporting agencies. So you could use this credit and it won't have any adverse effect on your credit score. You can even max out these type of credit scores and you won't lower your credit score because this only reports to the business credit reporting agencies. So now you have credit on your consumer report and you have credit on your business credit report, giving you double the borrowing ability. And you're building a business credit profile and score that makes you more lendable and increases the value of your business and gives you a competitive advantage because you have access to high limit credit accounts that you can obtain quickly even when you can't obtain business loans. And this is important because anybody can see your business credit reports, whether you give them permission to or not. As a matter of fact, we can even help you obtain a free copy of your business credit report and score. All you have to do is reach out to us. We'll get you scheduled and we'll actually go through your business credit reports and scores with you. But again, as I mentioned, this is 3 things we actually do as a company, and that's just one. The second thing we do is as you actually enter your information in to our actual finance suite, which I have not done yet, as you can see, because I don't have any qualified programs, then you'll actually see all the financing that you can qualify for. Venture capital, private equity money. Okay, you can get collateral-based financing like equipment financing and 401k financing and securities financing, commercial real estate financing, and on and on and on. And you can get unsecured 0% financing through the finance suite. You can even get approved with bad credit just because you have revenue for your business. So we go through and work with hundreds of different lenders and a multitude of funding programs to get you approved for all the financing you can get in one place. You don't need to go out to lenders that only offer 1 or 2 funding programs. We bring all of them into the finance suite, bringing them to you. So a lot of financing you can qualify for right away if you have some kind of strength, collateral, cash flow, or credit. If you don't have a strength, then we use business credit to help give you a strength that helps you be more lendable. And also as you build your business, more and more financing opens up and is available for you. So the finance suite really gives you the ability to do 2 very powerful things. Build your business credit so you can always obtain credit, even if you are a startup, even if you have credit issues, don't have collateral or cash flow, or if you do have good credit or collateral or cash flow, then it opens up all different kinds of financing options, and you can work with finance officers and your own processing team to help you through all aspects of getting approved for financing, even doing so and getting approved at the absolute best terms. Because we do so much funding, we actually put that power behind you and help negotiate with the lenders to get you the best terms. So now we can get you the most money at the best terms. The third thing we do as a company is help you actually offer business credit and financing as a service. Now, Maybe you have an interest in this, maybe you don't. And this is why we offer packages where if you don't want to be a partner, you don't have to be a partner. But if you do want to make money as a primary or secondary service, we help you do that as well. We walk you through the exact steps you need to know and everything you need to learn to actually offer business credit and financing as a service. We provide you the scripts, we provide you all the training. We even come through and have a certification program that certifies you so you can actually be certified to offer business credit and financing as a service. And we give you all the resources you need to be successful at the same time. We give you all the training with over 100-hour training webinar vault. We give you marketing flyers and ebooks and guides and seminars and articles and press releases and social media posts and email content and on and on. It's basically the equivalent of a business in a box where you can make money with business credit financing if you choose to do so. If you just want to use our services to obtain business credit financing, we can help you with that as well. So what we've really done here is something that's never been done before. One, we've given you a streamlined and efficient way to build credit for your EIN that's not linked to your social. Credit that doesn't require a personal guarantee or any kind of personal credit check for approval. Credit you can obtain even as a startup, and credit you can obtain regardless of your collateral, your cash flow, or your credit quality. Then we've also tied it in with all different types of business financing. So if you do have a lendable strength, we can help you obtain business loans. And you're working all through this process with our business advisors, our professional finance officers, and our processors that help you each step of the way with obtaining financing and credit for your business. The bottom line is, if you're looking for the fastest, easiest way to obtain the most amount of money for your business at the best terms, that's exactly what the Finance Suite does for you and your business. And if you want to take the power of the Finance Suite and turn it into an opportunity where you can make money helping other people obtain credit financing for their business with all the resources you'll need to have a turnkey white label solution. White label meaning it's in your name. This is your product, your solution. And turnkey meaning everything you need to implement and immediately deploy and be successful is available. Well, we have that too. So whether or not you're just looking to obtain credit financing for your business, or you're looking to obtain credit financing for your business as well as offer it as a service, a primary service or a secondary service that earn money and wealth, that's exactly what the Finance Suite is designed to do. So you can easily visit creditsuite.com/free-business-credit-consultation. That's creditsuite.com for a free business credit consultation. And in doing so, we can actually help you obtain a copy of your business credit report and score at no cost. We'll go through it with you. We'll talk to you more about our strategy to help you obtain financing, even tell you all the financing you can qualify for now, as well as map out exactly what we can do to help you build business credit, and talk to you more if you'd like more information about our partner opportunity. This is exactly what the power of Credit Suite can do for you and your business to help you obtain credit financing quickly and get the most amount of money at the best terms, while also giving you an opportunity to earn money with business credit financing and wealth if you choose to do so. We look forward to talking with you soon.